Question. Given a sequence of 3 figures, which among the following options A, B, C and D could be the fourth figure? Solution. The given sequence has 3 changing properties. The first one is the change in position of dots. The dots are moving in clockwise direction in the successive patterns. Thus, the missing figure will have the dot at this position. The next one is the change in direction of the arrow. The direction of the arrow also changes in the clockwise manner. Thus, the missing pattern will have the arrow as shown in this figure. The next changing property is that of the circle and the square. In the first figure, the circle is inside the inner square. Then, their positions swap in the successive figures. Thus, in the missing figure, the square should be inside, the circle outside. It is shown as follows. This is same as figure C among the options. Thus, option C is the right answer.